Hey guys, this is Boozy Tails and the first episode of Magenta's Cocktails. Today I'll be making two of my favorites, a French Martini and a Japanese slipper. I hope you enjoy this and yeah, enjoy the deliciousness that follow, because it's delicious. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, lift your stein and drink your beer. 1, 2, 3, 4, lift your stein and drink your beer. Drink, drink.
Okay, the two cocktails we'll be making today are the French Martini and the Japanese slipper. Let's get to it. For the French Martini, we will need cherries to garnish, 60 ml of pineapple juice, then we have the Chambord, and vanilla vodka. One of my faves. Build a bit on the bar. Clean bar keeps away barflies. For this cocktail, you will need your shaker, your double strainer, and your measuring. First goes in 60 ml of vodka. I'm using vanilla vodka. I find it adds to a smoothness of the flavor and taste. Okay, after your 2 shots of vanilla vodka or 60 ml or 2 ounces, move on to 60 ml or 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Then we move on to the Chambord. What makes it French. Now, because it's so sweet, we're only going to put in 30 ml or 1 ounce. There we go. All done. Now for this, I'm going to dry shake it just to get it really frothy first, and then I will ice it first. See, without any ice in there, you really get it nice and frothy, which is kind of cool. There we go. Then to chill it, get our ice and put in some. If you ever want to know when your shaking is done, if you're using a metal shaker, when it gets so cold and you struggle to hold it, that's a good indication. And if you have a glass at the top, when it's nice and frothy, or how the cocktail should look. Some cocktails should be frothy, some shouldn't be. But generally, a cold shaker is a good indication. Now, for the pour, we will put it in a flat champagne glass. You'll get your first strainer, then your second strainer to get out the little bits of ice, so big bits, little bits, and then we pour it. Come on, right out there. Whoop. Yummy. Okie dokie. French Martini. But to make it look even more spectacular, we will garnish with 3 cherries. And there we go. French Martini. French Martini done. Now time for the Japanese slipper. For that you will need Cointreau, which is an orange liqueur, and you'll need Midori, as well as some fresh limes. So, in a shaker, you will take your Midori. And this drink is interesting, and I really like it because it's equal parts of all. So you can make it as big as you want because the size doesn't change. So 30 mils or 1 ounce of Midori, which is a watermelon liqueur. 30 mils or 1 ounce of Cointreau. Whoops. And then the fun bit. You'll need 30 mils or 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, or whatever lime juice you got kicking around. So, using my peeler, I will measure this out. You can measure it out, or I'm just going to put a full lime's juice worth in. Ton of lime. Lime's really good. So, uns and dos, deux or two. So, 1 full lime. Now for this one, it doesn't need to be frothy. So I'm just going to pop some ice in and start shaking it up. Oops. Got to keep your ice cold. Okay. Nice and cold, maybe a bit more. Condensation. If you really pack it full of ice, sometimes it starts to get frost on the outside. Right now it's quite hot in Sydney, so we're not going to get that. Now, I'm going to glass this in my martini glass. Once again, big strainer for big ice and little strainer for little ice. Some liquid in there because it stopped a lot of ice, which is very awesome. Now I would like to garnish this with using my hand squeezer. Oh wait, I got those mixed up. This is the hand squeezer and this is the peeler. Yeah. Sometimes my brain works differently. I'm gonna get some lime rind, and I'm gonna garnish with that. We're gonna just cut a nice angle, like so, and then pop it over the glass like that. And there we go, the Japanese slipper, which I'm spilling. Well, let's see which one I like the most. We have over here the Japanese slipper made with those ingredients, and over here we have our French Martini made with these ingredients. Right, these are 2 cocktails. Let's see which one we like the most. Wow. So the froth really packs full of flavor. Then you have the pineapple juice, which comes through nicely. The vanilla vodka smooths it out, and then you have a very, very nice, strong raspberry, blackberry, like the Chambord flavor. It's easy to drink, quite nice. And for those of us wanting to do a ladies' night, you can really impress them. All the Karens will be so upset because your cocktail night was better than their mojito night. Slipper time. So as you bring it to your mouth, like, you get hit with a really strong lime smell, and then the watermelon comes through and kind of washes away the lime. Then as you drink it, you don't really taste the lime, but you kind of have this beautiful dance of the Midori with the cognac, the Cointreau. And the Cointreau is orange and the lime is another citrus. So with the lime being the one citrus and the Cointreau being another citrus, you do get that like sort of citrusy taste, but then the Midori comes through and washes it out, and it's really refreshing. But this is like, it's sweet and it comes through and it's nice and it's, you know, laid back, but this tastes sophisticated. It just, you know, it's nice. It wakes you up. It's refreshing. I think there's all that lime in there. I enjoy both these cocktails. I hope you guys, if you make them, you know, tag Boozy Tails in them. I would be really happy to see what you come up with and how they turn out. If you don't have the glassware for it, that's fine. You know, you can always make it in this and drink it. Then it's got ice, stick a straw in it. But yeah, these are some of the reasons why these are my favorites. Laid back, chilled, event with friends, refreshing, feels sophisticated, and it's just nice, you know. Anyway, if you guys make these, please tag me in it. You know, I'd love to see what you come up with. And to any of my new subscribers that I got, like, I know I've only had 71, but hi, nice to meet you. Thank you for watching. But yeah, I hope you enjoy these, and there'll be many more to come. But stay safe, have a happy day, and you know, drink responsibly, please. Social distance, be safe, wear masks, and have a nice time. Thanks guys, bye bye. I really enjoyed this one, really nice.